Alright, so welcome back to the SAT Math. This time let's finish practice test number 5, section 4, and we're gonna do from number 19 to number 21. So for the number 19, we have a scatter plot and a best fit line. This graph describes the speed in miles per hour and the phi in dollars. And the graph describes the relationship between these two quantities using a scatter plot. The scatter plot above shows the relationship between the speed of the driver and the amount of the phi in dollars. For 15 speeding tickets issued by a local police department, the line of best fit is also shown. So we have the line of best fit. So right here, let's mark it by a marker. Right. So number 19, based on the best fit line, what is the predicted phi in dollar for a driver speeding at 90 miles per hour? Alright. So because the driver was driving at 90 miles per hour, so we're gonna find at the speed at 90, and we're gonna raise up a line until where it touch the scatter plot, the prediction line, the best fit line. Okay, let me erase it. So we're gonna draw a line, we're gonna raise it from the 19 point on the horizontal axis, raise up until it reach the best fit line. It touch best fit line right here, and then we're gonna go horizontally, so we can see that this horizontal gonna meet the phi axis at 100. So the answer for 19 gonna be D, right? 100. So 19 gonna be D, 100. And let me erase the check out there because we haven't checked it. Yeah, alright. Okay, so for 20, which of the following is the best interpretation of the slope of the line of best fit in the context of this problem? Number 8, the estimated phi increase in dollar for every miles per hour over the speed limit. Okay, so more speed, more phi. Okay, that's reasonable, right? That's reasonable. So let's consider A. Okay, so let's think about B. The estimated phi increase in dollar for every 10 miles per hour over the speed limit. Okay, so it increased for every miles per hour, not 10 miles per hour, because you see, for this point, for example, the speed here is about 105. It's not a 10. It's not a 10. So this is not a 10. So it cannot be increased for 10 miles per hour because this value obviously is not a 10. So B is not the correct answer. The estimated increase in the speed of the driver in miles per hour for every dollar increase in phi. Okay, so we use speed to predict phi, not the other way around. In answer C, they say that we use phi to predict speed, which is wrong. We have to use speed to predict phi. So C is wrong. So D, the estimated increase in the speed of the driver in miles per hour for every $10 increase in phi. Okay, so again D is using phi to predict speed. So D is again wrong because same reason to C. So the answer is A. Alright. Alright, so for number 21, so 19 is D, 20 is A. Okay, so number 21, we have the parabola. The parabola here, and they ask for us what is the equation of this parabola. Okay, so we know that this parabola intersecting the OX axis at what point? So minus 6, 0 and 3, 0, right? 3, 0. So we know that 3 and 6 minus 6 have to be 3 and minus 6. So minus 6 and 3 has to be solution to the equation of f of x equal to 0, right? And they ask us to display the x-intercept as constant or coefficient. There you go. So in the answer, because we need to display the x-intercept as constant or coefficient, we need to be a number 6 or number 3. We need number 6 or number 3 to be available. So we also need 6 and 3 in answer, because we need to display the x-intercept as constant or coefficient. So in this way, because we know that, we also know that if x equal to a is a solution to fx equal to 0, aka fa to be equal to 0, then fx gonna be equal to x minus a times gx. So which means that the equation for fx has to contain, the equation for fx has to contain, must contain x minus a, so x plus 6 and x minus 3, right? So for that reason, the answer here gonna be C, right? C, because that's the only reasonable answer is C. Alright, so C here. Let's check it out. Let's check the answer. So 19 is D, 20 is A, and 21 is D, is C. Okay? 19 is D, 20 is A, and 21 is C. So I think that's enough for this episode. So thank you very much. See you on the next episode. Yeah.